Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, is looking to carve out new ways to provide funding for micro-businesses. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
A micro-enterprise is any business with less than $15 million in sales each year. More than 70% of Jamaican businesses fall within that category, including vendors, shopkeepers, and restaurant owners. Funding for these enterprises have also proven to be challenging. That's why the Jamaica Business Development Corporation is moving to set up new funding facilities for them.
We're also looking into other creative ways that these early stage businesses can get funding. The intent is financial inclusion as well as growth so that economic growth can be achieved.
Financial Support Services Manager at the JBDC, Melissa Bennett, says these businesses are also encouraged to get formal.
There's also a discussion around credit score and learning that you can start managing your credit history now, as we're trying to get persons to be more organized and formalized in how they operate.
Ms. Bennett says the JBDC is also laying the foundation for micro-enterprises to scale their businesses by providing well-needed training.
Some persons are unclear on what's the difference between assets and what does owner's drawings mean. Some simple financial terms that is related to businesses. So as we engage them more, they start understanding the difference, understanding the benefits of having banking relationships.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Automotive diesel is down by $2.04 and ultra-low sulfur diesel $2.05. The price of kerosene will decline by $2.71. 99 cents will come off the price of propane, while there will be a 65-cent decline in the cost of butane. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in September went up by 6 cents to settle at $54.92. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.71. The Canadian dollar $102.42. The pound is going for $163.22, while the euro sells for $152.68. The JSE index today closed at 3,895 points, while the junior market index gained 48 points. Among the winners, we had Palace Amusement, Siboney Group, Wigton Wind Farm, Stanley Motor, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. On the losing side, we had G West Corporation, Radio Jamaica, Honeybun, Epley 8.25%, 8.25%, and Main Event Entertainment Group. The RJRGLEANER Communications Group recorded net profit of $24 million for the first quarter, which ended June 30. That's a turnaround from the $70 million loss last year. During the period, the group's revenue increased by $12 million. The company says it was largely due to the performance of the print and television segments of the business. Despite inflationary effects, salary increases that were contracted and negotiated by the union, administrative expenses were flat compared to the same period last year. However, other operating expenses went up by $9 million due mainly to higher utility costs. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.